What is up, fam? Oh my gosh, this thing's still here. The soap, the Dawn soap spill. But what's up, y'all? Right now I'm at this Love's truck stop. We've been since last night, yesterday afternoon. We can't get some work done on the truck. Got an oil change, changed a headlight that needed to be changed, brake, something like that. But yeah, we got a load. They just got done working on it, and we got a load. Right now we in Nogales, wherever you say it, Arizona, like right next to the border, U.S.-Mexico border. And we got a load. We put on deadhead 500 something miles to Chino, California. It's this one place we've been to before, and we're gonna pick up there, and we're gonna take the load to Orlando. 3,000 mile load. 3,000. Yes, sir, man. Back to back. Last load was like 20. Was it 2,700? It was 2,700. Yeah, now we got 3,000 mile load. You know, consistent. We get consistent loads like that. So, yeah, I'm gonna see y'all when we hit the road. What up, y'all? My boy picked up the load already. It is 3:11 in California. Oh yeah, Palm Springs at the truck stop. And I knew time. My time, like his time was running out, his drive time, and he stopped. I'm getting ready to, put my socks on and stuff, getting ready to go down to drive, and I look at my phone. I seen the work, the group chat, told us to basically park for the night. In the morning, another driver's gonna come. I'm gonna swap trailers, and he or she's gonna take our load, and we're gonna take their load. And so instead of going to Orlando, we're gonna go to Miami. So more miles for us. Shoot, I ain't tripping, and I get to go home. Tomorrow's Friday. Wait, when we get there, it'll probably be Sunday. It's Friday now. It'll probably be Sunday, so it'll be the weekend. That means I could probably get some stuff from home. Somebody could probably pull up on us, bring us some food or something. Yeah, we have home time on the week anyway, so yeah. So I'm gonna see y'all in the morning. I'm gonna go back to sleep. I'm gonna see y'all later. Change of plans, y'all. Instead of us waiting on the driver, we're gonna go to them, and they're at this truck stop. This 19 truck stop. That's like 293 miles from here. So, about to hit the road. Man. Yeah. I've been on rest for 38 hours. Jeez, we was controlled at the shop yesterday. Ooh, you gotta go back up north.
I said from where?
You gotta drive north. 300 miles north. The driver is probably a solo driver, and they're probably out of time, because it don't make sense for us to go up north. It would have been better if they came down, worked their way down south, because we're going to Florida.
Hey, what?
Now I'm talking to the blog. It's probably a solo driver that ran out of time, and they had to stop. Since we're a team, we have time, limited time. I think that's what happened. 3,600 miles, guys. I'll just say 3,700 miles. Just one trip. We gonna get to Miami like Sunday. Sometime Sunday. Yo, all that mile. This week is gonna be good. That week is a good week, but this week. Off two loads alone. Two loads alone, we were at 6,000 miles. Two loads. Plus we got a different load before that. Ooh, this truck driver, this tanker is smoking his brakes, man. Let me get up and get away from this. His brakes smoking, bro. He got flammable liquid in there. I don't know what it is, though. Ooh, that thing stinks. Traffic. Probably some road work going on. Chino probably there's road work. Yo. Nothing too crazy. At least for moving. Yo. Hey man, I just got off the phone with the driver I'm supposed to meet up with. I thought the address they sent, I thought it was at the truck stop. Well, it is a truck stop. I thought he was already there waiting for us. I'm thinking he's taking his 10-hour break and, you know, he's not able to move, so we have to go to him. He's somewhere else. He's in Fresno, I think. And I'm like an hour and 15 minutes away from the where we're supposed to meet up at. And he said he's 3 hours away. So when I get there, I gotta wait. I'm gonna try to see if we could probably, once I get there, just keep driving. Somewhere halfway. So I don't be sitting down. So I don't be sitting waiting for him for 2 hours. Yeah, so basically he was a team driver. He was a team driver as well, but this whole situation got messed up because his co-driver quit on him. Like in the middle of the road, something like that. He just left. Bruh, if you just wait till you're done with the load, then leave, whatever. I don't know what happened, but yeah, his co-driver quit on him, and he had to take his 10-hour break, and that's why he's not able to meet him. He was not already there. He had to take his break. That's crazy, man. So yeah, I figured he was solo. Solo. His load is going to Miami. I don't know. They're trying to get it there at a certain time, and since we're a team, you know, we could get there quicker. Yeah, but he's still going. Our load's going to Orlando. That's still going to take a while. I don't know if the appointment is probably for. I had to call the driver back because something was not adding up. He was saying he's in Fresno, and where we're going, he's saying it was taking him about 3 hours to get there. And I'm like, that don't make sense because where I'm at right now to Fresno is like about an hour and some change. Up at is like 20 miles from Fresno. So I called him back and I asked him what address they got him going to, and I said the one that they sent me to. He was like, no, that's completely different. And we sorted it out, and he's gonna meet me at the right location. We should be getting there about to start unhooking. Ooh. About to unhook this thing. Drop this thing. It's gonna take a while. It's gonna take a while to drop this mud. Yeah. This truck nice, man. You got a Peterbilt. This trailer nice too. Pretty cool. Got down. Now it's time to. Oh my goodness. I'm tired of this. I'm gonna put the camera down to fight with this. Oh. Maybe not today. Oh, it came out. Let me see there. Oh my goodness. Oh, I won't have to fight with it today. Let's go. We are disconnected. Now, we're gonna back up into his trailer. The truck in front of the trailer. Now I'm about to re-inspect this trailer, take some pictures and stuff, and send it in. Heading up to my trailer right now. That boy just reminded me. He just reminded me to swap our locks. I would have been messed up. You got to swap to his lock. Yeah. This is the trailer right here. I put his lock on. He take his lock out. I was over there yapping with the driver. Dang, man. This driver left on him. Trying to see if I can get up under there. It was low. The trailer's a little low, so I'm gonna have to lower the. Try to see if I can drop the fifth wheel. It's lowering. So we get up under there now. Yes, sir. Alright. Let's back up now. Alright. Tug test. Alright, we good? We good? Now back to normal. Yep, we're locked in. Gonna raise this bad boy. We're gonna connect the lines. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, this is, oh my goodness, this is smooth. Ooh, I like this trailer already. I like it more than our trailer. The handle on our trailer, that thing could cut you. But this, yeah, we all good. Oh, I gotta connect the airlines. Bam! Just like that. Yup. Oh, his stuff different. Oh shoot. Hold on. Okay, figured it out. Figured it out. What you holding? It don't say it on the BOL. Okay. But you know how to even stop you. Alright, we hooked up nice, man. Let's get it. Rolling. Kita pala kicap chef. Arizona right now. I'm done driving. I'm gonna take my rest. It's actually, let's see. Yeah, I'm gonna take my rest. See y'all later. Good morning, y'all. It's 4th of July. Happy 4th of July. It's super windy out here, so I don't know if I can hear me. So I'm gonna yell a little bit. It's currently like 5:45. Yep, 5:45 in New Mexico. I'm about to brush my teeth. It's time for me to drive. I'm gonna brush my teeth and do the pre-trip, and then we can be rolling. We are in New Mexico. Yes, sir. Look at the view. This thing be getting stuck. Alright, there you go. There you go. Yes, sir. Alright. Now we can open. Ooh. Do this picture. Check all these things. Check everything out. Check all the fuel injectors, all that. Hoses. All the brake system, the steering system, all that. Check all that. Gotta check the brakes on all the tires and stuff. Yeah. See all them done with this pre-trip. Gotta check everything, trailer, everything. Yeah, I'm about to do this, upload the photos and videos on the app, and we are gonna be good to roll. Just check the oil level. It's good. We just got an oil change. But you gotta make sure, you know, because you gotta make sure there's no leak. You know what I'm saying? Ain't no leak or nothing. Yeah. Oh, we gotta add the washer fluid. We already done. We have a whole gallon. We should just never put it in there. Yeah, we gotta add washer fluid. Cause it's 10. Look at this. It ain't empty. There's still some over there. I can see that green. But it's not even empty, bro. We got a new camper air filter. We got the brakes done and let me say some grease because those are we had to let me show you some grease between the brake drum and brake shoes. We had a leak in the wheel seal. We had to change the wheel seal the other day and the brakes. Yeah, make sure it's good. So far, so good. Done with the engine area. Wow. Done with the engine area. Still got some more stuff to look at, but one hand with it. There you go. Wow. Gotta do the other side. One hand with it. Wow. Yes, sir. So, time to reset. y'all, but we are in Texas. I'm about an hour into my drive. We've been in Texas for I want to say 40 minutes now. Yeah. So stink over here. All them cows. Put these gloves on. Get to it. Yes, sir. Oh, shoot. Forgot to open up. Fuck the cap open. There you go. It's running up. Now we do the other side.
Proceed to shower 5.
That's what I'm about to eat. Until my break and until I'm done driving. I ain't took no break. At my time, dang near done. Yeah. This is whatever. Hey man, didn't splash. All right, DS finally done. It's been took forever. It was fueling up so slow. It was fueling up so slow. It's so hot out here. We are still in Texas. Yeah, it's so hot. We're in Tyler, Texas. Still in Texas. Whew. It's so hot, bro. Right now, I just gotta make sure everything's still good. The tires are okay. Trailer's good still. Done fueling. Now we are good to roll. It is so hot, man. I'm literally sweating out here in Texas. Still here in Texas, man. We are almost in Louisiana though. Like 50 miles to go. We are back rolling. Drive time is running out. 2 hours and some change. 1,800 miles left to go. No, not 1,800. 1,200 miles. We got about 17 and a half hours to go. Let's get it. We're in Louisiana, baby. done driving now, y'all. We are still in Louisiana. Simsboro, Louisiana. I'm heating up some food right now. I'm gonna eat that. First meal of the day. And I'm gonna go chill in my car. Yeah. Started driving early. 6 a.m. in New Mexico. And it is now, what, 7 p.m. in Louisiana. Road. Let's get it. See y'all later. I don't know if y'all see, but it is raining so hard right now. It's raining so hard. The wind is blowing. Got this truck going side to side. A little dangerous out there, but we got God on our side. It's gonna be alright. You know, I'm gonna take my rest. I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow when it's my turn to drive. Peace. What up, y'all? Morning. We at this rest area in Lake City, Florida. We're almost there. About 383 miles away. Yeah. July 5th, about 8:03. Let's see. Yeah, I'm at this snack vending machines. I'm gonna see what they got. I'm gonna do this pre-trip. I got a moisture on my face. But I'm gonna do this pre-trip. Oh, it's gonna be rolling. That's where we at. I'm gonna do this pre-trip, y'all. It's gonna be rolling. Bro, I log into the app that we use to submit the photos and videos and stuff for the truck, everything. And I see last completion, whatever it said, completed today. I looked, said 8:01. Right now it's like, what time is it? Like 8:12. Evan's already did the pre-trip for today. Ugh. So, you know, I'll have to just take my time to find, record video and take pictures. I just look and just go. Yes, sir. Hit a way station, y'all. Way station. Let's see what line I go to. I can just go. Just like that, we are out. We are out of here. Hurry up, cuz. Hurry up, man. I'm letting you go. Bro, go. Oh my goodness, man. You let people go, you wanna slow down, bro. My goodness. Back road. Look at you. When we leave these spaces in between the trucks, it's not for y'all to cut in. That's us, you know, increasing our stopping distance. You know? Not for y'all to get in. God forbid something happens, now you gotta get sandwiched in between two trucks. And look, you leaving the lane. What was the reason? What was the point of kind of coming in? Like, my goodness, yo. Entering the highway where it goes Pierce. And I'm about to fuel up, even. After this, we got 130 miles left till we get there. This is the damage we did for the diesel. Now let's see. Let's see what we do for the DF. For the DF, y'all. Ooh, right here. Right here. It's like the perfect setup for the truck. DF is right here. Diesel is right next to the tank. Yeah, we're gonna let this fill up. See. Quick little 14-minute stop. Done fueling. Now we better hit the road. It's only 1 p.m. man. This place is pretty packed. Like the back is packed. Look, all over there packed. What the hell? It's only 1 p.m. Usually the truck stops we go to outside of Florida, at this time be empty. This one it gets to 6, 7 o'clock afternoon. This one it start getting packed. But this man out here is fighting to park this little space right here, cause there ain't much space parking spots available. That's crazy. It's getting full already. They ain't near full. Look at this. Look at the other side. Look. Yeah, look at that. Lined up. It's 1 p.m. 1:30. This whole place full. Like what? Look, this the other side at 1 o'clock. And back there it's tight. That guy, that's why he was struggling, taking so long to park. It was tight. That's crazy. Gotta get on the scale. Yeah. Gotta go this way. I gotta get on the scale. Good. Yes, sir. And back on up. Back cruising. We're almost in Miami. We're in Fort Lauderdale right now. Pouring. Damn. Of course. Welcome to South Florida, man. Ah, man. Yeah, guys. I know y'all see it. We back at the crib, man. Back in MIA. We almost there at the job. We're dropping up in downtown. The parking is gonna be. Ooh, it might be a little challenge. We gonna see. It ain't Miami without traffic. One thing that's for certain out here. It's gonna be traffic. Look at this. Look at this city. Downtown area. It's tight, small, cars everywhere. So you gotta really be maneuvering nice so we don't hit nothing. Ugh, I like a mess. So we made it. It's like this building. I don't think it's these doors, but it might be around the other way. Because I think it's door 15 for us. But this is all the space we got to work with. On the street, ain't no space for downtown, man. Look where they got us going. We gonna do what it do though. We gonna make it work. That's how you know you're in Miami. Lambos, McLarens, all type of cars flying by. Welcome to Miami. Look at this bad boy. Woo-wee. It's so loud out here, but this was a small load. It's only from California to Miami, 4 pallets. Just 4 pallets. And it's worth millions. The insurance on this load was 2.3 mil. That's crazy. I think it's some. I don't know. I'm not sure what it is. Probably for. I'm not sure. They're about to unload now. I'm Doc. Yep. Y'all see that baby right there? Again, unloading. Yeah, this was a tight spot. But it was not hard. For some reason, well, I guess. It was pretty cool. You know? Y'all see I'm in a car. Like, why are you in a car? Yeah, I'm in Miami. My baby put up on me. She put up on me. You wanna say hi? Hi. But yeah, I'm musky looking, smelling dusty, looking rusty. And look, I'm next to baby. She smells so good. And I got this stench on me, man. But yeah, she pulled up. She was waiting for me, actually. She was waiting at her. Bought me some food. Cause my food that I made is done for. It's over with. She brought us food, man. W babe, spam it again. W babe. Yeah, they unloading us right now. She took a video of when I was parking, so I'm gonna add that to the vlog. It might not be in landscape. It might be in portrait mode, but okay. Y'all gonna see what it was like. We had to block traffic. Feel me? Yeah. Was feeling a little lost. Certified. Now imagine if I was, cause everybody was stopped because they couldn't go anywhere, and they all was looking. Now imagine I was out here struggling to put this thing in. They would have been mad. They would have been honking. I gotta win. They would have probably posted me on that Only in Dade. For real, bro. But yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all later, man. Yeah, this was a expensive load, man. 4 pallets from California to Miami, bro.
Maybe they're calling you.
It's the first time we came to Florida in this whole month.
They're calling you.
When we're going to Florida. Oh, we done. All right, babe, I'm gonna see you. So we made it to this pilot. Not far from my house. I'm gonna go inside, get a shower. Gonna hang out with my babe. And then hang out with my girlfriend. And I have a feeling we gonna stay the night here in Miami. We'll probably get a load in the morning, so I'll make the most of the time I have here. Ooh, look where we at.
Murder Gardens.
Hard Rock Stadium right there. Dolphin. That's where Some World Cup games. I see that. But yeah, that pilot was it was a dealer. Pilot dealer, so it's not like a real pilot. And it was showers don't open on Sundays. I'm going home. I'm going to take a shower at home. Yeah, we're finna head back to the truck. We ain't get a load yet, so I might as well just use this time to go home and stuff. Yeah. The fact that I don't go home till Thursday, what I got? Four more days? Right? Yeah, I go home in 4 days for my home time, so I ain't tripping. Yeah. Haven't been here in a month. We don't go to Florida for real at all. Like, we don't get any loads going to Florida. Because y'all know Florida loads don't pay like that. But this load paid. Expensive load. Baby's touring my MTV crib.
How do I get on?
Just climb up the step. Yeah. Oops. Sorry, guys. But yep. It's my MTV crib.
Why you have pillows on both
Like
sides?
it? You said what?
Yeah, I like it.
Why I got
Can I sit
pillows?
on it?
No. Yeah, you can sit on it.
Is that pee?
Do what you want. I'm recording here.
Hi, guys. Oh my goodness, babe.
Yeah.
It's hot.
It's hot, yeah. It is. I went home, took a shower. Now I'm back at the truck stop. We can't stay here. There's no parking spots. And where we are on the side, we can't stay here. So I'm gonna go find somewhere to put this bad boy. And I'm gonna eat. My cycle is pretty much done. But not my cycle, my total shift. I got 59 minutes, so I'm gonna do that. Yeah. This is W day, you feel me? Got to see see the fam, siblings and stuff. Mom and dad. Got to see my girlfriend. And yeah. I ain't get to see my older sister because she live a little far from me. Not that, I feel a little far, but like I'm not in her area, so we'll see. I might be here till tomorrow, so I might see her. You got me right with this 4th of July food, man. Potato salad, mac and cheese, barbecue chicken. Got the corn dish. Got some cake. Got some. What is the rice? Also got got baked beans. Like, woo! I'm gonna tear this thing up, man. I make my plate right now. Babe made some homemade cake. I got a bag full of mangoes from home. My parents brought me. Got some tea and stuff. Bread. We good for the last few days we on the road. We're gonna be good on food. We got the barbecue side, got the food. Finna eat. I might have heated up too much. You can see that it's been heated up too long. Oh yeah. Sir had to incorporate my chicken on there. My food. Yes, sir. Hey y'all, what's up? It's the next day. I just woke up. We got these SPS load here in Opa-locka. I'm gonna go to Indiana, which is perfect. So by the time we get to Indiana, we'll get there tomorrow, Tuesday. Then we'll pick up another load somewhere around Indiana, if not Indiana, by Tuesday afternoon. Probably coming back down here somewhere around Wednesday. Then we take the truck to the yard sometime Thursday, and we go home. So there shouldn't be any holdups and stuff as far as us getting home by Thursday. Yeah, we're on a new load now. Last load was a success. Last last night I got the I slept. Babe pull up. She put up where we was parking a truck. She stayed there the whole night. W babe. I'll spam it again. Even though I didn't spam it last time, but yeah, y'all know y'all seen it. Y'all seen where we had to park. Sometimes we gonna get places like that, so you gotta always try to be as ready as you can. You know, places like that is also good to go to. That way it tests your skills. And you know, you get better at parking that way. Instead of when you go to places like that, places where you have so much space to pull up, so much space to where you don't have to use the 45 or 90 steering technique, whatever, where you can just turn and pull all the way up and straighten, line the trailer up and just back straight in. Where you have to do places where you have to alley dog. So it's good. But also, if you, that's somewhere you can also struggle too, because there's not much room to work with. But that way, you're able to get more familiar with the trailer and how it moves and stuff like that. And yeah, I actually liked that. I actually enjoyed it. Yeah, and I stopped traffic. Everybody's car would stop looking at you like. And we're in Miami, so people got no patience. So if I was out there struggling, taking so long, people would have been beep, beep, honking, going crazy. But yeah, that's just the end of the vlog. I'm enjoying these vlogs. I love recording. I've been recording. I stopped recording on a DJI camera. I'm probably gonna get like an actual vlog camera, like good quality. I don't know, it's probably like a Sony or something, but I'm gonna see though. So right now, I start recording on the DJI, and right now I'm recording on my iPhone 15 and my 17. I'm switching. Even though they have good cameras, because the other one's the 15 Pro Max and this one's the 17 Pro Max. The camera's good, but like that's taking up from my phone storage, you know. Even though I got a lot of storage, I got this 17 with like 1,000 gigabytes, or you can say 1 terabyte. And yeah, I'm gonna get a camera. And I gotta go pick up my laptop. I had this laptop at the shop for so long, I never picked it up. I had got it fixed. I got my MacBook fixed. It's like a long time ago. I never picked it up. I gotta go pick that up. So I can edit the videos and stuff. Yeah. Thank y'all for tuning in. Hope we getting loads like this again. 3,000. I think it was 3,000 plus miles. 3,600 miles, bro. It was a 3,700, one of them. That's crazy. For 4 pallets. From California to Miami. 4 pallets, bro. But hey, the people got money. Because all that stuff was worth millions. The insurance on the 4 pallets was 2.3 mil. But yeah, thank y'all for tuning in. Like, comment, subscribe. I know I'm talking a lot. I appreciate the support. I think I have so much. Road to 500 subscribers. I'm out. I'm gonna enjoy some mango tea or some of the mangoes or some tea. Yeah. Thank y'all. See y'all later. See y'all on the next one. Like, comment, subscribe. God bless y'all. Y'all be safe out here. And I love y'all. Ciao.